it's Josh from RTS. We're back in the studio and look what we have. We have the Vaunt 16-piece flat bit set and the Vaunt 7-piece Auger drill bit set as a bundle, okay? Let's take a look at these flat bits. I'm going to pull one out here to show you. As you can clearly see, it is coated in titanium. Now, titanium dissipates heat a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently than other materials, and it extends the service life of these bits dramatically. They are packed with features. We take a look in here, we can see they have winged shoulders that cut into the wood first and help you achieve a nice clean finish on your work. We flip them over and you can see it has a hex shank that will slot straight into the front of any impact driver without any sort of problem, and the shape of it helps the jaws on the chuck of your normal drill bite nice and securely and stops any sort of slippage, okay? In this pack, we have a huge range of sizes, as you can see, from 6mm all the way up to 38mm for the smaller and bigger jobs. Coming over here to the Auger bits. Now, the Auger Bit Set itself has been designed to help you drill deep and drill cleanly. We have a screw tip that bites into material and helps you achieve a nice straight hole, okay? Proper clean work and efficient work. On the other end, again, it has a hex shank to help the jaws on your chuck grip the bit and prevent any sort of slippage, okay? In this bundle, we have a huge range of sizes from 10mm up to 25mm. And if that wasn't good enough for you guys, we know how good these bits are, so they come together in a bundle, okay? You have the 16-piece titanium coated flat bit set and the 7-piece Auger drill bit set, both from Vaunt. Both come in their own canvas storage wallet, perfect for the back of the van, perfect for the workshop, perfect for your tool bag, and only available at its.co.uk, so get over now and get these in your basket.